to my channel! Ang mga ingredients na gagamitin natin sa paggawa ng dry rub ay ang lahat ng inyong gusto na spices na available sa inyong pantry. Para sa akin, ito ay ang available na nasa aking pantry kaya ito ang aking mga gagamitin. Let's unpack the ribs. Cut the ribs into two. I used kitchen scissors. Pat dry both sides of the ribs with a paper towel. Remove the thin skin on the bone sides of the ribs and also all the unwanted fats. Put together all the spices you prepared for the dry rub. For this recipe, I used 2 tablespoons on each of all the spices and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Put your prepared dry rub generously on each side of the ribs. Transfer into the Ziploc bag to marinate for 2 to 4 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. Ready, I put my ribs in the slow cooker on a keep warm mode for 6 hours or on a low mode for 2.5 hours. Put your favorite barbecue sauce and transfer them on the grill on a low heat. I hope you guys will try and enjoy this delicious fall off the bone barbecue baby back ribs. Thank you for watching. Bye!